FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, we're going to take a look at some live trades as voted by you guys of what videos you wanted to see next. So thank you for the input, and let's get this started guys. Let's take a look at some live trades. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Also, if you haven't joined us yet, please go to fxntrading.com, create a free account, and join us in our Telegram group where we have a large community of traders that are helping each other trade and becoming better traders. All right, guys, so before we get started on this video, I do want to mention a couple things. Number one, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. I appreciate you guys, giving me input on what kind of videos you like to have. You guys said you wanted to see more live trading videos, so here's one from NFP of last week. And if you guys need any help, we do have an upcoming mentoring class that starts on October 21st. If you need more information, just go to our website, www.fxntrading.com. Just click on Mentorship, put in your info, and it'll give you all the information that you need. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I decided to trade the USD JPY, the pound USD, and the Euro USD are the three pairs that I chose to trade. Essentially they had the more clear setup. So you can see there on the top on pound USD, we had a nice move down basically from the high of yesterday, and we basically went straight through across. We didn't have we didn't make any kind of crazy moves during the London session, so that was a huge indicator that essentially we had a peak formation high, and essentially we could move down to another level, and essentially that's what I chose. That's why I chose to trade that one. On USD JPY, the main thing that I saw was basically a multi-session W forming. So basically you can see from the low of yesterday, or the previous day's low, it went back basically and tagged it, and of course that's what prompted me to take that trade. On Euro USD, essentially the opposite happened, where you had basically a big multi-session M. So that's why I was trading that as well. So those were the three setups that I did. I mean, they were setups that I thought looked the best, and if those setups did not look that way, then I would not have taken the trades to begin with. So that's just plain and simple. So if for me, I normally don't trade NFP a lot, but if I'm up and and there's clear setups available that I think are pretty clear, then by all means I'm going to go ahead and take the setup. As you can see on that pound dollar there, it was pretty clear that what was going on. So for me, it was pretty simple to take the trade. All right. But again, if you don't know, if you don't see a clear setup, if you don't know what you're doing, definitely don't trade it, because it's not worth it. You'll probably end up blowing an account or something, because you probably used too much lot size, or too high of a lot size anyways. Myself, I'm just using my normal standard lot size. I don't go crazy with it or anything like that. At the end of the day, it's just a trade. There are going to be many more like it for many years to come. So this is literally just one day, and it's not going to make or break me just trading this one day. And so that's a big thing about the mentality that you need to have when you're trading this, especially when you talk about trading news and stuff like that. One of the biggest things that you need to understand is the fact that if the setup is not clear to you, like, there should be no question in your mind as to why the hell you're not trading. during that particular session. Because if the setups aren't clear to you, it just doesn't make any sense for you to take any trades, and that's just with anything, even on a regular day of trading. All right. So in these three cases, the setups are pretty clear to me. I think I was pretty lucky actually because I was late, so I actually didn't get to the computer literally at 8:31 or something like that. So it was literally already after the first fake move had happened down. So it made the trading even easier for me to make a decision on which way to go to trade that NFP. But so yeah, so that's the reason why I took the trades, guys. Again, if you want to trade news and stuff like that, just be aware that if the setups aren't clear for you to trade and you don't understand what's going on, guys, don't trade it, because at that point you're just literally gambling, and it becomes a 50-50 proposition. And I think you can get probably better odds if you just go to the casino. All right. But I'm gonna go ahead and let the rest of this play out for you, so you guys can see basically how the trades went for the rest of the NFP period. And that's it, guys. I hope that this video will bring some value to you as far as you seeing the trades that actually happened, and why I took the trades. All right. Thank you so much. Guys, one last thing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something.